Okay guys, I got me a mixing bowl. First of all, I'm just going to put in roughly 1 cup of cabbage. I'm just going to go ahead and pour all that in. It ain't but another bite or two. It ain't going to hurt nothing. I'm going to put in 3 eggs. I got another egg somewhere. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. It's hiding from me. Okay, 3 eggs. The recipe will be in the description box below. 3 eggs. This is my onion going in. This is about 1/2 of a medium onion. I've already chopped this up just for the sake of time. And it calls for 1 carrot stick. So I'm throwing in just a handful of carrots. Just kind of guesstimate 1 carrot stick. And you can put in parsley to taste. Put in 1/4 of the Parmesan cheese. Put in as many tomatoes as you like. I don't do a whole lot of tomatoes because my husband ain't crazy about tomatoes. Okay. Then it calls for 3/4 tub. This is 8 ounces, so I'm going to do almost the whole tub. I should have set this out earlier. I forgot. I'm putting in 3/4 tub of that. Then we got to put in salt and pepper. He says about 1 teaspoon. Just kind of doing it. Just eyeballing it. And then we mix that together. Good mixing spoon here. Just mix it all together. When you got it all mixed up and combined good, you just take your little casserole dish, pour it all in. Don't have to grease it. Just smooth it all out into your pan, like so. I think this is like an 8 by 9. Next thing you do is you just top this with mozzarella. Just make sure it's nice and covered. You know we like the cheese. Just cover it up with mozzarella. Make sure it's all covered with your mozzarella. And then you just add a teaspoon of oregano on top. Just kind of go around with it like that. Then you just pop this in your oven at 350, cook it for 30 minutes. And it'll be so yummy. I'll show it to you when it comes out. Okay guys, it's time for me to pull out the cabbage casserole. So after it cooked for 30 minutes, I turn it on broil and let it just get nice and brown on top. And let's pull it out and see what it looks like. Okay, there it is. Don't that look yummy? That looks really good. Let me go ahead and turn off my oven. I cut up that Polska kielbasa that y'all seen me buy from Aldi's, and we're just frying it up to have a little side of meat to go with our cabbage. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. Y'all really need to try out this recipe. It tastes really good. If you love cabbage and you love cheese, I think you'll like this. And it only cooks in 30 minutes, so you can't beat it. It's a quick, easy side to prepare for your family. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, y'all give me a big thumbs up. Y'all leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. And I will see you guys in my next video. God bless. Bye.